YouTube, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And I just wanted to hop on this video and tell you Happy New Year. Happy 2024. I also wanted to thank you for your support of my YouTube channel over the years. Thank you for every video that you watch. Thank you for every comment that you post, every time you like a video, and each time you share it. I really appreciate it. Now in 2024, I need your help. So as my channel grows, I want to make sure that I am answering the questions that you have. So any burning questions that you have, please comment below. Any topics that you would like for me to discuss this year, please let me know. I need new content, and I also want to make sure that I am giving you what you need to help you with your hair, to help you with your healthy hair journey. If you're dealing with hair loss, to help you with your hair restoration journey, I am here to help and serve you. So please leave topics and comments below. Anything you want me to discuss this year. Also in 2024, I am going on the couch with Curl House. You see this couch behind me? I will be sitting on this couch at least once a week doing live so that I can answer your questions live. I'll also be doing live consultations with people. I'll be bringing on some additional people on my channel, some other hair experts, some health experts. So I have a lot of things, exciting things taking place in 2024. And again, I want to make sure that your questions and your concerns are answered. So please make sure you drop topics below. And here's to a happy new year. I'll be seeing you soon with my first video of the year coming out on Saturday. And guess what that video is about? It is about how to do a proper blowout without getting heat damage. So I'll be talking about this new style that I'm rocking on Saturday. So look forward or stay tuned to that video. Also this year, I will continue teaching my virtual classes with my academy, Curl House Academy. The first class starts on January 16th. So if you want more information on that class, go to curlhouseacademy.com. That class is called Let's Get Growing. And it's all about helping you to grow, maintain, or regrow your hair. So again, that's curlhouseacademy.com. And one more little secret, in 2024, I will be expanding my Curl House product line. So expect new releases in 2024. Okay, guys, I just wanted to jump in and just give you a few updates as I have not put out a video in about a month. Sorry, I was enjoying the holidays. But anyway, I will be talking to you soon. I'll see you soon. Again, Happy New Year. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.